Orca Conservancy announced a southern resident orca named Lobo is missing and feared he might be dead. The 31-year-old orca, who also goes by K26, hasn't been seen in the pod's last 3 encounters since July.
And this brings up new worries about the overall population of the southern residents. King 5's Joyce Taylor tells us more.
Orcas are making their way back to parts of the Puget Sound, including Penn Cove. News out this week shows their population continues to dwindle. One orca hasn't made it back home yet. Lobo, a 31-year-old southern resident whale, has not been seen since July, and officials fear he may have died. We have seen 4 other orca deaths throughout the past year, 2 adult male orcas and 2 newborn calves. The entire southern resident population is now down to 72, the lowest count since 2020. The L pod has 33 orcas and the J pod 25. Lobo will likely be declared deceased on the next census by the Orca Conservancy, bringing the K pod down to 14 members.
Oh my God.
Over the last 40 years, there has been a population decline of 1.5% every year, according to researchers with Ocean Initiative. A lot of factors play into that decline, including the lack of food, water contaminants, and noise interfering with their hunting. Female orcas are currently carrying the future of the population, which would need to quadruple in the next 50 years to ease expert worries. And that's a big ask. Of the 72 orcas living today, only about a dozen are able to reproduce.
As Joyce mentioned, the race is on to save our southern resident orcas, with recent studies showing the killer whales are on a faster track to extinction. Streaming right now on King 5 Plus, our Environment Northwest team looks at how long it could take to reverse the decline and save the species.